Hello children, it is phonics time. We get to learn how to sound vowels and consonants from my sound bank. Today, we will learn how to sound the vowel E. This vowel has the short sound E and the long sound E. Join me as we sound these vowels, E and E. Can you guess some words that have the short vowel sound E and the long vowel sound E? Let's take a look at a few. We can hear the short vowel sound E in these words: pig, 60. And we can hear the long vowel sound E in the words pizza, magazine, knee. Now read this sentence with me and let us underline the parts of the words that have the E and E sounds. Felix is having dinner with his family in the kitchen. So, we can see that nearly all the words in the sentence have the E sound. Let us now take a look at the different ways to spell the E sound when we write. We can spell the E sound with the letter I, as in the words lit, bits, liquid. It can also be spelled with the letter A, as in cottage, message, roughage. Another way the E sound is spelled is with the letter E. Some other times, the E sound can be spelled with a letter U, an O, or a letter Y, as in business, women, building, and system. Now, we shall take a look at how to spell the E sound when we write. We can spell the E sound with double letter E, that is EE, as in feet, kneel, 3, free, team. We can spell the E sound with the letters EA, as in team, dream, eat, tea, seats, feet. We can also spell the E sound with the single letter E, as in he, me, we, she, secret, evening, equal, these, meter, Peter. Other fun ways to spell the E sound is with the letters EI, IE, I, EO, E, as in the words receive, relieve, routine, police, people, magazine, key. There is sometimes a third type of E sound at the end of words, such as happy, coffee, busy, city, and beauty. Look at these pictures on the wall and write I, EA, EO, A or E to complete each word. For the first word, the missing letters are the letters A and E, and that will be sausage. For the second word, the missing letter is the letter I, and the word is fish. For this word, the missing letters are the letters E and O, and the word is people. For this picture, the missing letter is I, because the word is million. The missing letters for this picture are the letters E and A, and that's because the picture is a plate of beans. Now for the last picture. The word is picture. So the missing letter is the letter I. That was fun, right? Let's try another exercise. Listen as I read these words. Then pause the video and write down the vowel sounds that you can hear from each word, whether long E or the short E. Number 1. Bits. Beats. Number 2. Seal. Seal. Number 3. Greets. Greets. Number 4. Pitch. Peach. Number 5. Eel. Eel. Now here's the last exercise. Read this poem and answer the questions below. I had a little rabbit friend. Nothing would it bring but a silver nutmeg and a golden ring. The king of Spain's daughter came to visit me, and all was because of my little rabbit friend. I skipped over water, I danced over sea, and all the birds in the air couldn't catch me. Number 1. What did the little rabbit friend bring? The answer is, the little rabbit friend brought a silver nutmeg and a golden ring. Number 2. Who came to visit? The answer is, the king of Spain's daughter came to visit. And number 3. Which words in the poem sound like the words sing and pea? The answer is ring and see. Test section. Question 1. Which word has the long E sound? Option A, sip. Option B, steal. Option C, them. The correct answer is option B, steal. Question 2. Which word has the short E sound? Option A, make. Option B, cake. Option C, peak. The correct answer is option C, peak. Today, we have learned that the letter I is a vowel sound that has the short sound E and the long sound E. The short vowel sound E can be found in the words pig, 60, and so on. The long vowel sound E can be found in the words pizza, magazine, knee, and so on. That's all for now. I hope you had fun learning about the short vowel sound E and the long vowel sound E. See you next time. Bye-bye.